guys, I'm Rani Jones and today I'm at my grandma's house and today I'm with my parrot. He's living with my grandpa since I was like 11 years old, but I think that soon he will live with me. So this is Chirika. His name is like Chirika, or sometimes I'm calling him as like Pod. He's 11 years old and he is Karela. Today I'm gonna talk about what he likes and what he doesn't like. The first thing he does not like is that what you don't like. Oh, he doesn't like when some people touch him because that makes him like nervous or like something that. Second thing he doesn't like is when they hit him as like they are shouting at him or like something that. He doesn't like loudly music. He doesn't like he doesn't like what he doesn't like sometimes loud people. He likes eating, drinking, and dancing. Sometimes he's singing. And he loves hugs. Do you love hugs? Probably. Oops. I'm sorry. Ow. So yeah, sometimes he can bite me, but he loves me actually. He likes sometimes like dancing because when there is some music, craziest music, he just getting like crazy and he dance like this. Only head. Yeah, but so, yep. This is like how he's looking right now. He's so pretty. Are you my pretty bird? I'm sorry. He loves sitting like everywhere. Can you just sit down here? You don't want to sit down? Good job! Good job! So, see? He's like really clear bird. So, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe me. Like video, comment down what challenges you want to do, and yeah, do thumbs up and do subscribe me.